what are you doing? I'm trying to distribute these 15 chocolates among you people. Wow, Dad, but how will you do that? Let's first keep one chocolate each for 3 of you. Let's keep one chocolate again. Some more chocolates are left, so repeat the process until all the chocolates are distributed. Hey, see, all the chocolates are distributed. Now, how many chocolates are there in each group? Yes, 5 chocolates. So, each of you will get 5 chocolates. This can also be written as 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. 15 divided by 3 is read as 15 divided by 3. From this we can say that division is repeated subtraction of numbers. Examples. 1. Convert 8 meters into centimeters. Take 15 chocolates, give 5 chocolates to the first child. 10 chocolates are left. Give 5 chocolates to the second child. 5 are left. Give 5 chocolates to the third child. 0 are left. We have subtracted 5 from 15 3 times. So, 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. Division and multiplication are related. Multiplication means putting together equal groups. Division means dividing into equal groups. So, multiplication and division are related. Division is the opposite of multiplication. For example, 2 into 4 equal to 8 means putting together 2 groups containing 4 things each. 8 divided by 2 equal to 4 means dividing 8 things into 2 equal groups. For every multiplication fact, we have 2 division facts. If 2 into 4 equal to 8, then 8 divided by 2 equal to 4 and 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. Division can be done using multiplication tables. Count in 4s till you reach 16. 4 4s are 16, or 4 into 4 equal to 16. Therefore, 16 divided by 4 equal to 4. Division of a number by 1. When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is number itself. For example, 8 divided by 1 equal to 8. 20 divided by 1 equal to 20. 150 divided by 1 equal to 150. Division of a number by the same number. When a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. For example, 8 divided by 8 equal to 1. 20 divided by 20 equal to 1. 150 divided by 150 equal to 1. 0 divided by any number. 0 divided by any number is 0. For example, 0 divided by 6 equal to 0. 0 divided by 56 equal to 0. Division by 10. Any number ending in 0 is divisible by 10. For example, 50 divided by 10 equal to 5. 100 divided by 10 equal to 10. Terms. Dividend. The number to be divided is called the dividend. Divisor. The number by which we divide is called divisor. Quotient. The number that we get after division is called quotient. Remainder. The number which is left undivided is called the remainder. Can you divide 16 chocolates equally among 5 children? Take 16 chocolates. Give 3 chocolates to each of them. 1 chocolate is left over. So, we can't divide 16 chocolates equally among 5 children. The leftover is called the remainder. So 16 divided by 3 equal to 5, remainder 1. 16 is called dividend, 3 is called divisor, 5 is quotient, 1 is the remainder. By multiplication table, by repeated subtraction, 16 divided by 3. Subtract 3 from 16 till you reach a number less than 3. You have subtracted 5 times. 1 is left over. So 16 divided by 3 equal to 5, remainder 1. On the number line, start at 16, jump backwards 3 steps at a time. Reach 1 after 5 jumps. So 16 divided by 3 equal to 5, remainder 1. You have seen that if 16 chocolates are divided among 5 children, each gets 3 chocolates, 1 chocolate is left over. Or 16 divided by 3 equal to 5, remainder 1. Dividend equal to 16, quotient equal to 5, divisor equal to 3, remainder equal to 1. Now children have 3 chocolates each. So number of chocolates with children equal to 3 into 5 equal to 15. Add leftover chocolate equal to 15 plus 1 equal to 16. This gives the number of chocolates we started with. So what do you find? 16 equal to 3 into 5 plus 1. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Example 1. Divide 580 by 5. The method of dividing is the same as for division of 3-digit number. Example 1. There are 80 apples in a basket to be equally put into 5 bags. How many apples are there in each bag? Solution. Total number of apples equal to 80. Number of bags equal to 5. Number of apples in each bag equal to 80 divided by 5 equal to 16. Therefore, total number of apples in each bag equal to 16. Milkman has 72 liters of milk. He can put 8 liters in one container. How many such containers are required? Solution. Total quantity of milk equal to 72 liters. Quantity of one container equal to 8 liters. Number of containers required equal to 72 divided by 8 equal to 9. Therefore, milkman requires 9 containers. Add conclusion.